Every now and then, North Carolina makes national headlines for multi-million-dollar verdicts in alienation of affection and criminal conversation cases. We are one of the 4 remaining states who still recognize these causes of action. Alienation of affection and criminal conversation are sometimes called heartbalm torts, referring to the idea that money can soothe a broken heart. Actions for alienation of affection and criminal conversation are generally filed by a person against someone who had an affair with their spouse. In order to prove alienation of affection, the aggrieved spouse must show a marriage of love and affection, that the love and affection was destroyed, and that the paramour's conduct caused the loss of affection, and that the spouse suffered damages as a result. The spouse does not need to prove that the affair partner and the other spouse had sex in order to succeed on this claim. Criminal conversation, on the other hand, requires proof of sexual intercourse between the affair partner and the spouse. It also requires a showing that the innocent spouse was damaged. This action is referred to as a strict liability tort, meaning it is irrelevant whether the affair partner knew that the guilty spouse was married. Individuals residing outside of the state of North Carolina may be liable for an alienation of affection and criminal conversation claims if the conduct occurred in or was directed to North Carolina. For example, if the paramour made telephone calls to his or her paramour in North Carolina, that may be sufficient to subject them to the jurisdiction of our courts. The statute of limitations for both alienation of affection and criminal conversation is 3 years. This means that you must file a claim for these actions within 3 years from the last act of the affair partner that gives rise to the cause of action. If you believe that you may have a claim for alienation of affection and/or criminal conversation, or you're worried you may be sued for these claims, you should consult with an attorney who can help you evaluate the merits of the claims. Please call me at 919-832-8488 or visit divorceistough.com for more information.